I look at Sons of God like a terrific popcorn movie that has this tapestry woven in from different religious texts, these quote-unquote mythological characters that all sort of come to life under what is surprisingly a biblical worldview. I actually don't see this as a knock on other religions. In a way, it creates the possibility for everyone to see God's glory in the way God has touched everyone. I love the way the author has provided appendices so that the reader can actually look firsthand at the research that was done. I think there's a young audience out there that loves going to see action-adventure movies, and I think that they're going to get a kick out of it.